way! That voice, one after the other, you're driving me crazy! Stop it, stop it, I don't want to look like now! Go away, leave me alone! You always got something to go. What was that, homie? Ooh. Divine instrument. Life beads. Rosary that draws upon the pure life and pure life energy to destroy evil. Where did that come from? Bonjour, mademoiselle. Am I interrupting something? Oh, brother. It's that half-baked prophet again. Hey, that's... Yes. Oh, this? Is the super crystal? It is mine LS. You got a lot of nerve muscling in on our goods like that. We found it first. Fucking bitch. You found it. It won't do you any good. I mean, I'm the only one who can dispel the barrier of it. He's not even a good French accent. Well, he's not French, so that's actually perfect. You know, the barrier of Mooncave, Orochi's stronghold. Hey, Nani? You calling me big boy? Keep your scales on, I'm coming. Huh? What's going on? Why are you going to Orochi's place? I almost forgot. Time for another prophecy. I foresee a, how do you say, rendezvous with a sweet little Zang. Anyway, I must be off. How do you say, au revoir, Bobby? No, you ain't. No, wait a second. Dispel the barrier at the moon cave. What the heck he's up to? What the heck is he up to? Now's no time for your victory howl, Furball. We gotta get out of here and get on with. We gotta get out of here and get on with our mission, quick! Why does it take so long for you to fucking type? Oh, I think you guys may have loaded somebody else's stats. That wasn't for me. Those weren't mine.